Hi YouTube, welcome to WesPicks. Today we're going to have a go at getting this American 1100 on film. As you can see, works treat. There's a bitting on the key, it's not too bad. And let's see if we can get it open. Fine with these is really light tension. And don't one click at a time on the pins. Otherwise it's so easy to overset these. I find it every time you get a click, just pulse the tension wrench a little bit, because these can be quite stiff. There you go. These can be quite stiff, so you don't actually realise that you've got it open. Just give it a quick gut. Locking back up. Let's get the clip off. We find these are 5-pin, but they're actually in a 6-pin chamber. Let's get a shim into that, I think. Not actually sure if I've never gutted one of these, so I'm not sure if I've actually got a follower for these. Bollocks. I'll set that up again in a minute. That was a bit of a... Okay, so we've lost pin 4 and 5. Let's just set these so I get these right a minute. Okay, so not that one. So that is number 5. Number 4, so the serrated key pins. Looks like they're all serrated key pins. Yeah, quite standard. Number 1. Serrated spool. I'll show you a close-up of these in a minute. 2 serrated spool. 3 serrated spool. 4 just serration, I think that's the key pin. Sorry, that was number 5. Number 4, another serrated driver. Sorry. Okay, so there's close up. Very nice pins. Anyway, thank you very much.